Hello, ladies. Welcome to Aromatherapy and Face Yoga course. This is course 1, where we will be talking about essential oils. What are they? History of essential oils and aromatherapy. What exactly is aromatherapy? And most importantly, why aromatherapy and face yoga? And why are you here? So let's see and let's get started. I will be mixing Hindi and English so that everyone is comfortable, सबको सब बात समझ आए और confusion ना हो. If any doubts, if any questions और इस course को वापस समझना हो, do put your comments down in there and I will be more than happy to come back and answer them. So let's start. What are essential oils? Essential oils potent concentrated oils होते हैं जो कि plants, leaves, flowers से extract किए जाते हैं through distillation processes, through cold process तरीके से. So generally flowers like rose have a very potent fragrance. Lavender has a very potent fragrance. Citrus fruits like lemon has a very potent fragrance. तो आपने बहुत बार सुना होगा लेमन को अपने चेहरे पे क्यों नहीं डायरेक्टली लगा लेते एक्ने के लिए. Again, it's not safe, trust me. Instead, what you can do is you can use a lemon essential oil on your face mixed in a carrier oil. So that is what it is. हम lemon से उसका oil extract करते हैं, which is the fragrant oil of lemon rind, which can be used as part of skincare, which can be used as part of pain relief. It can be used for stress and anxiety relief, and most importantly, आप उसको अपने diffuser में भी run कर सकते हो as an environment improve करने के लिए. So the whole idea of essential oils is concentrated plant extracted oils which are fragrant and which connect back to your limbic system and help your symptoms get better. So why essential oils? So essential oils actually have been part of centuries. Chinese medicine में हमेशा से essential oils use होते थे. Egyptian used to use essential oils for their mummies. India में Ayurveda में essential oils has always been part of the body massage, abhyanga exercise, and it's been around for centuries. It's just that उस पे उतना importance आज तक नहीं दिया गया. And what is exactly aromatherapy? Aromatherapy is actually the art of blending essential oils. So हर essential oil की अपनी एक property होती है. जैसे lavender essential oil relaxing और calming होता है, वैसी citrus like lemon, lemongrass आपके थोड़े energizing essential oils होते हैं. So the art and the science of blending these essential oils with different use cases is aromatherapy. So let's say if you have pigmentation, then patchouli and lavender work beautifully for dark spots and pigmentation. अगर आपको radiance और glow चाहिए and आपको साथ ही साथ brightness चाहिए, then you look for essential oils like geranium, you look for essential oils like lemongrass. Acne relief के लिए lemon बहुत अच्छा essential oil. So these different essential oils and their combinations work beautifully for different use cases. At the same time, since essential oils connect with your limbic system, so the whole idea is essential oils connect करते हैं आपके brain के back system, limbic system से, which triggers emotions and memories. So it also helps to trigger different emotions. It also helps you calm your nervous system down. It helps to reduce stress. It helps you sleep better. So let's say why aromatherapy and face yoga और मैं इतनी सारी चीज़ें आपको आज क्यों समझा रही हूँ. The whole idea is कि essential oils and carrier oils help to increase the experience of your face yoga session. आपको अपने face yoga के लिए एक base लगाना ज़रूरी है. And the best idea is to use natural plant-based products like carrier oils and essential oils and these aromatherapy blends so that जो आपकी face massage और yoga की exercise कर रहे हो, these natural plant extracts absorb into your skin and enhance that experience और आपके results जो हैं वो और better improve होकर आएंगे. Yes, you can use moisturizers, you can use different other products, but since you're doing a physical exercise, you're doing natural exercises to enhance your body skin texture, aromatherapy oils, since being natural products, they enhance your skin texture much better and they also absorb into the in the deeper skin segment and gives you skin brightness and glow and benefited results जो कि शायद एक moisturizer से ना आए. I will stay tuned for the next episodes. We will be talking about carrier oils versus essential oils, कौन से oils कौन सी skin type को suit करते हैं Everything will be covered in the next 5 sessions. Any doubts, any questions, do comment below and I will come back and answer them very soon. Hope थोड़ा आइडिया लगा अरोमा थेरेपी एंड एसेंशियल ऑयल्स के बारे में. Do save this video and come back to it whenever you want to learn more. And do not forget to let's go on to the next one. See ya.